In the month of Kislev, in the 20th year, Nehemiah, son of Hakaliah, was in the citadel of Susa when his brother Hanani came from Judah and asked about the Jewish remnant that had survived the exile in Jerusalem. They told him that those who survived the exile and returned to the province were in great trouble and disgrace, with the wall of Jerusalem broken down and its gates burned with fire. Nehemiah wept and prayed before the God of heaven, confessing the sins committed by Israelites, including himself and his father's family, and their failure to obey the commands, decrees, and laws given to Moses. Nehemiah reminded the God of heaven that if the Israelites returned to him and obeyed his commands, he would gather them from the farthest horizon and bring them to the place he had chosen as a dwelling for his name. He redeemed the Israelites and their people, and the God of heaven. Let the ear be attentive to the prayer of his servant and the servants who delight in revering his name. Nehemiah was cupbearer to the king, and his prayer was a testament to his strength and mighty hand.